Hello, welcome to podcast channel, The Candid Conversations. My name is Kiero, and for today's episode, the first episode for 2026, is we are going to set up our goal for this podcast channel. Last year, we had our goals, and so far, I'm satisfied naman sa mga na-achieve ko ron sa goals ko. So, I listed around 8 goals for 2025. And I think I can say na nasa mga siguro 6.5 out of 8 yung achieve natin doon. And I think the most important talaga doon is yung goal na sinet up natin na we will have our interview and reach at least 15 episodes doon sa goal natin. So this time, we will also do the same. And let's go back muna. Also with that one is, I'm very happy because first, I had the interview which I really thought na hindi yun mangyayari. And then, yung at least 15 episodes, I was able to create more than that. So I think umabot ako ng mga 20 plus, 21 something. So this time we're going to upgrade those existing or those goals. So I've listed down here my the goals for 2026 for Candid Conversation. So the first one is we'll go with the number of episodes. So previously last year, we set that at 15 episodes. For this year, we will put a little pressure to ourselves. We will do at least 18 episodes this year. So hopefully mangyari talaga yun, 18 instead of 20. I was thinking na baka na better siguro kung 20. Ganon. But I feel like baka hindi ko kaya. I mean, I have to set also something that is actionable and parang achievable. Alam mo yun. Kasi I have other plans beside from, doing this podcast thing. So I have other plans din in life. So baka in the middle of the year, mawala na ako sa rhythm, ganun, sa paggawa ng mga podcast episodes. So ayun. So we'll set muna at least 18 episodes para, hindi naman ganun ka-pressure. Pero pressure pa din because it's more than the 15 episodes na from last year, right? Next is consistent landscape format. So yes, this is the first episode, and if you notice, naka-landscape na tayo, it's because I just recently checked sa Spotify. May update na sila. So they are like sa mobile na Spotify. They are now presenting the landscape better than few months or years ago. Kasi yung parang issue ko dati when sa Spotify, bakit ako nag-move sa portrait-ish last year and noong 2023 was the Spotify showed the nakatingin ka ng na Spotify, So sa Spotify, parang they occupy the entire screen. Para siyang sa song, right? It will occupy the entire scene, the entire screen. And then, since pag naka-landscape ka, so nasa gitna yung landscape, and then may black sa taas and may black din sa ilalim. And then of course, nasa lower part pa yung controls, right? So hindi siya maganda tingnan. Kaya parang at that time, parang I feel like better kung naka-portrait. So they made some updates. So I just checked recently. Para na siyang YouTube. So yung kunwari landscape yung format mo. So nasa taas yung video mo, and then yung mga comments or other stuff na nilagay mo sa is nasa ilalim. So hindi na siya nung parang there's an empty black space na eksena. So right now is na siya. Better na. So it looks like YouTube. Parang ganon. So I will now go this year with a landscape format instead of the portrait. And then next one is kung last year we only like our goal lang for having an interview last year is just at least one. So this year at least two. Uh, Siyempre, hindi natin alam kung mangyayari. Kasi nga yung last year is parang nick of time yun eh. So I really thought nawala. So it happened, but this time we will now go with at least two episodes. Better if more. Para para mas ma-pressure tayo na gumawa ng episode with an interview. So at least dalawa. So kung isa man ang makuha, okay. Pero we will try our best na we will achieve this one. Next is to use outline. So when I do podcast kasi prior years, so wala akong outline. So kasi parang sabi ko, this is a candid conversation, ganyan. So parang impromptu, parang ganun. So I just set up the camera and then yon. And then I realized na hindi siya maganda after in my end kasi I have to edit it. And sometimes editing it will, if I'm not following an outline, it will have a problem. Kasi may mga things na, sana pala sinabi ko to, parang sana pala ganyan, ganyan. And then at the same time, I also notice na pag ako di ba nga impromptu siya. So, I noticed na pag nagsasalita ako, doing some discussions and stuff like that, parang I am circling around. So, tumatagal yung video. At dahil tumatagal yung video, so it takes more hours or minutes or time to edit kasi I have to listen it again. And I noticed na paikot-ikot lang pala siya. So, wala siyang kwenta. And then, eventually, I will just have to cut it since, yun nga, umiikot-ikot lang din naman ako. So, yun. So, right now, I have to use outline na para at least, it's still candid, pero at least on my end, as the same person who will edit this video podcast it's still, it's faster na din. Parang ganun. And I think that's the streamlining thing that I have to do. I know that I said something as a goal last year, and I have to streamline my process. At hindi yun nangyari, right? Because parang I heavily rely on AI on that one. Parang I feel like, maybe AI can handle the post production or the editing part. And then it so happened na hindi pa kaya ng AI. I don't know right now kung kaya na ng AI, but for now, parang I will stick muna sa outline kasi I think that's way better since I have the controls, right? So ayun. So maybe the AI hopefully removing those fillers like the mga ganun. Pero somehow parang I feel like it's okay to have those fillers din naman para it looks and sounds it sounds better, it sounds more natural, it sounds more human, ganun. So ayun, so yun yung parang streamline-ish ko, but I will just have to, instead of, medyo vague kasi pag sinabing streamline the process, like it feels like I have to overhaul my process, parang ganun. So parang slowly lang tayo. So the first thing that I have to do is doing some outline when doing, episodes. Hindi nyo yung mafe-feel, of course. Though I think there will be no difference, but in my end, meron siyang difference because the editing is way more faster, siguro. Kasi nga, I know now where or what I'm talking about. Wala nang circling around a topic or an area of the topic. Ganun. Next is doing some update on the write-up and card design for this podcast. So, yun. So, yearly naman nagbabago-bago yung card or yung parang thumbnail ko. So, for me personally, para may identification ako na, okay, this one is last year, this one is last year, ganyan. Or this one is for this year, parang ganon. So at least I know na this episode, I did this years ago, parang ganon. So ayun. So kaya binabago-bago ko siya every year, yung thumbnail or yung cards. And then of course the write-up. Kasi dati kasi um, parang random ko lang din sinasabi kung ano yung parang laman. And sometimes nakalimutan ko nga, di ba? Kasi wala naman akong outline. So, wala akong parang copy of what I've just said. So, sometimes nakalimutan ko ano mga sinasabi ko since na-record lang naman siya and um, parang hindi siya din ganun kaganda. Sometimes parang, you know. So, with the help of AI, so we're gonna use AI na in describing our podcast episodes para, it will still sound professional. Well, I know it's kind of conversation. It's supposedly parang, being me. Parang ganun. Pero sometimes it's also realized na, yeah, being you is okay. But someday, this podcast will be viewed by others na hindi lang ng friends ko. And probably those others or those people will have like a high standard. Ganun. And realize, pangit na pala ng podcast na to. Parang this is just a trash, ganyan. So at least from trash to a little bit, upgrade. At least para na siyang, going there. Ayun. So lima lang yung goals natin for this podcast channel. So first is at least having 18 episodes. Next is consistent landscape format. And then at least having 2 interviews. And then always use outlines and making sure that the write-up and the write-up for the description, ganyan, is better. So may AI na, so at least that can help. And since I'm gonna use outline na naman, so at least I know what I am talking on that video or on the video that I'm doing. So, di ba? I think that's also a part of doing, siguro yun yung parang streamlining na din, a streamlining process. So yun. And outside this podcast, so I have this side quest. So it's parang life outside na this podcast episode. So I'm doing some side quest. So this year I'm planning, so I just want to share it here. So I have 3 side quests that I'm going to do outside this podcast now. So first is create another podcast channel. Yes, I will be creating another podcast channel. But that channel will be more specific to my personal brand because Kero is not my real name. So for those who are aware or for those who knows me, they know that not Kero is not my name. It's just my handle in social media. My own name doesn't have a brand yet. So I'm doing a podcast for that brand or for that name. Ganon. So that one is more professional-ish. Ganyan. So since mayroon na tayong experience here, so we will just gonna use our experience here to that branding, to that brand, and way better. Siyempre, for 3 years of doing podcast, hindi ka pa rin naging better, right? So at least doon, yun nga. So yun is medyo professional sounding. So probably boring yun. I will invite you later on. But for now, hindi pa kasi I'm still not doing it pa kasi. So it's still a plan. So hopefully this year magagawa ko siya. Yun nga. That's why I said earlier na I think I will just go with the 18 episodes instead of 20 episodes kasi I have this side quest and I have other quest pa na hindi ko babanggitin here. Another side quest is produce at least 5 songs. Wow, producer yan. So yes, last year nag-sample ako na gumawa ng song. Yun. But this time, gagawa ulit tayo ng song. Thanks to AI. So meron ng kakanta for us. Hindi ako yung kakanta. So yun. So yung AI yung kakanta for me. Pero yung lyrics, I will still tap AI for that one. Pero yung parang the gist of this or the story of the song will be coming from me. And of course, I also have to edit the lyrics na gagawin ng AI since feeling ko random ang gagawin ng AI. I mean, parang within the prompt, pero, it will not really fit kung ano yung gustong message. Parang ganun. And syempre, di ba, sometimes parang, depende sa magiging song or sa pagkanta ng AI. Baka kasi it looks or sounds parang awkward. So sometimes I have to edit so I feel like I have to edit talaga the lyrics later on. Pero at least, my starting point by using AI. So, yun. So, 5 songs lang since hindi naman tayo singer at hindi naman tayo talaga artist, no? Wala tayong talent sa paggawa ng song. So, ayun. So, we're just gonna use AI for that one. And I don't know if that will gain ROI, but I feel like wala pa din. Similar dito. Lahat naman ginagawa ko walang ROI. So at least meron tayong parang nagawa. Ganyan. And another side quest na naman is create at least one app as a vibe coder. So for those who are not familiar with vibe coding, so in IT world, since I actually in my real life version, so my background is I work within the IT industry. Okay. Though I'm not a developer. Okay, just be clear. Hindi ako developer. But with the trend right now, like AI and stuff like that, upskill mo, tapos upgrade sa sarili mo din mismo, and even the requirements na din sa job. So even though hindi ka developer, pero there is now what they call citizen developers. So yung citizen developers are not necessarily having a background sa development, sa coding, ganun, wala silang ganun. But they can now start creating applications. Ganun. So if you haven't heard about that one, you can do research. So ayun. But yeah. So in my line of job, even though hindi ako developer, I need to be a citizen developer. So I've already set up created some applications sa work ko. And of course, I cannot share it here because it's proprietary ng company. But yes, I already did. So somehow I can say na I'm a citizen developer na. But this quest naman is outside the company. So, ayun. Hindi siya. So I can probably share that one later on if this side quest is successful. Ganyan. And so at one lang muna kasi hindi pa natin alam kung anong mangyayari doon. Baka naman kasi is mahirap pala parang ganyan. Though mahirap naman talaga at first. Yeah, it's given. But we'll see. Side quest pa lang naman. So hindi pa siya talagang goal natin. I'm just sharing this to you para may awareness and also for myself na, later on after this year, 2026, we're gonna do some assessment or goal review, diba? Parang ganon. Or year-end review. We can check and see if we are successful with our side quest, diba? And for me, I'm doing this one because I'm sharing this ahead because I feel like pag hindi ko siya shinare in public, parang feeling ko I have this parang reason not to do it. Alam mo yun bang hindi ako nape-pressure since wala naman nakakaalam. Parang ganon. So I know some people might probably don't like sharing their goals or stuff like that. But me personally, parang I want to share it because I want to be pressured. Diba? Kasi nga, may self-assessment and it's on public na. So, I know na you guys are not really interested. I mean, who cares about my goals, right? But, just setting up na, okay, I already said this one, so I have to make sure na I did it. Alam mo yun? Yung parang meron kang accountability. Though wala namang nag-ask na accountability. Kasi personal goals lang naman siya, di ba? But, parang ganon yung setup ng brain ko. That's why I'm sharing this one instead of keeping. Though may mga goals na I have to keep. May mga goals na parang personal. So, yun, you will never ever find it out. But sometimes I do share those personal goals. Pero after na, usually sa mga year-end review, mga ganun. So, ayun. Mga financial kineso, mga, kung nasaan ako, stuff like that. So, wala, I just want to share it kasi it gives you also some parang proud moments na I did this, I did that. Even though hindi naman siya ganun ka-big, parang ganun. But that's it, Pansit. So, thank you so much for listening. Sa mga friends ko dyan, hello. So, thank you for supporting my podcast channel. If you want also to have your podcast channel, friends, calling my friends, I can help you set up your podcast. I can also help you some stuff of what I've learned from doing this thing. That's all. Thank you guys and see you on the next one. Bye.